Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can get Intel skin from Fortnite. Now this is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to read you through an article explaining how you can get this skin. So there are a few steps that you need to make in order to receive it. You have to create an account at softwareoffer.intel.com/bonus. You are going to have to allow 72 hours to receive the email from them to verify your account. Beginning November 30th, log into your authenticated account to claim the offer, and you have to claim it by the March 31st of 2021. Now, in order to redeem it, you are going to have to go over to softwareoffer.intel.com/bonus, sign in or create an Intel Digital Hub account. Once your account is activated, you are going to log in and click on claim redeem offer. Select no for do you have a master key. Follow the steps to scan your CPU to verify that your device qualifies for the offer. Basically, you have to have a device that has an Intel CPU. For example, you have an AMD processor, you won't be able to receive this. If your device is verified as an eligible Intel processor, the promotion will be added to your dashboard for redemption. Agree to Intel's terms and conditions to complete a short survey. Select Fortnite and follow on-screen instructions. You will log into or sign up for an Epic Games account. Once you have redeemed the offer, the Splash Squadron set will be added to your Epic account and will be available in a game. So basically you don't have to pay anything. The only thing that you need is basically an Intel processor, and just head over to software.intel.com/bonus. Keep in mind that you have to do this before March 31st, 2021. After that, this offer won't be available anymore. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.